to have an excellent spirit. Listen closely. It will bless you.
I'm not going to be bowed down because of problems or headaches and heartaches any longer. I'm going to reach forward. I'm going to be joyful in everything because I know God has a plan for me. I know everything is going to work together for my good. I know I've got a place that I need to get to. And sometimes we can just sit and not serve because we don't understand that he's got a plan for us. We need to learn to dream. We need to allow God to speak to us and tell us what he wants us to do and not box him in and say, oh, no, that's not for me. That must be for somebody else. We get complacent thinking, I've already arrived. As long as I know that I'm going to heaven, I'm not going to work out my soul salvation with fear and trembling any longer. I'm satisfied knowing I'm going to scarcely make it in. But that's not what he designs for us.